The Future Billionaires is a project of agriculture students from Machakos University pursuing Bachelor of Agricultural Education and Extension. The members are Sally Morioki, Executive Officer, Clinton, the Director, Eunice Mutuku, the Narrator, Momanyi Hesbon, the Editor, Miriam Moeni, Stage Manager, Okoth Brian, the Photographer, Geoffrey Mutie, Music Coordinator, and Monyalo Zoka, Music Coordinator. The aim of our project is to educate farmers countrywide on how to carry out land preparation in order to create favorable environment for growth of crops. Activities involved in land preparation are: land clearing involves the removal of trees, stumps, weeds, and other debris from the land. Grading involves leveling the land surface to create a uniform surface. Tilling is the breaking up of the soil and turn it over to create a seedbed. Fertilizing is the addition of nutrients to the soil. Irrigation is provided water to the land through various means. Pest control involves measures taken to control pests and diseases. Mulching involves covering the soil with organic materials to prevent erosion and conserve moisture.
The first step involves clearing of a bushy land. This process is carried out using a panga and a slasher. The cut materials are then removed outside the demarcated area.
The cut bushy materials can be used in fencing, can also be used in feeding livestock or in making mulch. In this section, we are going to remove the trash from the farm. Removing trash from the farm is an essential aspect of farm management as it helps to maintain the healthy and clean environment. Some methods of removing the trash include manual removal. This involves picking up trash by hand and placing it in bags or containers. This method is suitable for small farms or areas with limited amounts of Burning of trash in the farm is not a recommended practice as it has negative consequences such as it kills useful soil microorganisms, it decreases the soil fertility, it increases the level of potash, and it can lead to air and water pollution. Ultimately, the method used to remove trash from the farm will depend on the amount and type of waste, the size of the farm, and local regulations and guidelines. It is essential to dispose of trash properly to maintain a healthy and sustainable farming environment. Primary cultivation is the second step of land preparation. It is also known as primary tillage. It is the initial step in preparing soil for planting. This process involves breaking up the soil, typically using heavy machinery such as plows to create a seedbed for crops. The main purpose of primary cultivation is to turn over the soil and break up any compacted layers, making it easy for plant roots to penetrate the soil. The importances of primary cultivation include 1. Control weeds. Tilling can uproot weed seeds and reduce their ability to germinate. The second importance is increased soil aeration. Breaking up compacted soil allows air to circulate more freely, which helps plant roots to grow. The third importance is improved water infiltration. Tilling can help to create channels for water to penetrate the soil, which can improve water retention and reduce runoff. The fourth importance is incorporate organic matter. Tilling can mix in organic matter such as compost or manure, which can help to improve soil fertility. However, if primary cultivation is not carried out the correct way, it has some negative impacts such as soil erosion, soil compaction, and soil structure degradation. In soil erosion, tilling can expose soil to erosion, particularly in areas with steep slopes or high rainfall. Soil compaction. Heavy machinery used in primary cultivation can cause soil compaction, which can reduce soil fertility and increase runoff. Soil structure degradation. Tilling can destroy soil structure, leading to decreased soil porosity and reduced water holding capacity. Therefore, while primary cultivation is an essential step in preparing soil for planting, it should be done carefully, and the negative impacts should be minimized through the use of conservation tillage practices such as minimum tillage or no-till farming. Secondary cultivation is another step of land preparation. This is the process of further breaking up the soil after primary cultivation to prepare a seedbed for planting. The main purpose of secondary cultivation is to refine the soil structure and create a fine, level seedbed that is suitable for planting. Secondary cultivation has several benefits, which include improving soil structure. This breaking of compacted layers and creating a fine seedbed can improve soil structure and promote healthy root growth. Enhancing seed-to-soil contact. A fine level seedbed can improve seed-to-soil contact, increasing the chances of successful germination. Reducing weed pressure. Secondary cultivation can also help to control weeds by uprooting weed seedlings and burying seed weeds. Leveling is a process that involves creating a flat, even surface on the soil, typically for farming purposes. Leveling is essential to ensure that a site is stable, suitable for planting, and free from drainage problems. Hand leveling is a method of leveling used for small areas or areas that require more precision. Leveling has several benefits which include improving soil drainage, reducing soil erosion, improving plant growth, and improving accessibility. Improving drainage. Leveling can help to improve drainage by creating a slope that allows water to run off the surface of the soil. Reducing soil erosion. A flat, even surface can help to reduce soil erosion by preventing water from pooling in low-lying areas. Improving plant growth. Leveling can create a more uniform surface which can help to promote healthy plant growth. Improving accessibility. A flat, even surface can make it easier to access and work on the land, whether for farming purposes. And that marks the end of our project on land preparation. Thank you for watching.